कल ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर की चेयरमैनशिप में कैबिनेट मीटिंग हुआ to review the ongoing fight on COVID-19. सबसे आगे आप लोग को जान के खुशी होगा कि अरुणाचल सरकार ने कंपल्सरी इंस्टीट्यूशनल क्वारंटाइन करने का जो निर्णय लिया, it is one of the few states in the country going for compulsory institutional quarantine for those Arunachalis returning back to our state. And number two, government have further decided to take RT-PCR testing as a 100% mandatory for people coming back from other state. This includes the asymptomatic person too. So recently, after lockdown 2, at the beginning of the lockdown 3, Honorable Chief Minister have entrusted to all the ministers and MLAs to oversee the 12 entry gates across the state. On that account, as I was entrusted with Honorable Minister Education Tawar Tadir and a host of MLAs to look after the Bandardua check gate as well as PTC quarantine center. Further, the cabinet have decided to convert the BPL colony at Lekki into a state quarantine center. We have identified around 590 independent rooms attached with bathroom, toilet and bathroom, where we will put up our returnees or Arunachali returnees from across the state of the country. The state government also decided to segregate all the returnees belonging to green zone, red zone and orange zone, and they will be put up in the quarantine facilities as per they belongs to. इसके साथ साथ जब तक हमारे लोग अरुणाचलीस वापस नहीं आएंगे, government have decided to make Bandardua area a free zone area, including transportations of essential commodities. तो जितने भी जो ईटानगर रीजन का जितने भी essential commodities है, कल से from tomorrow, with effect from tomorrow, they will take the route from Holongi only, from Holongi, और जितने भी essential commodities जो Papampare rural, East Coming, Pakekesang, Lower Subansiri, Karadadi, Kurungkume, Upper Subansiri, Kamle will take the route of Gumto. They will take the route of Gumto, and Bandardua gate will be exclusively remain only for people's passes. See, once आदमी को कोई, however, the FCI, since FCI godown is established at Karsinsa, FCI vehicles will be allowed to enter into Bandardua. And those people going back to the eastern sector of Arunachal in convoy will take the route from Bandardua instead of Gumto earlier. And to strengthen further the quarantine center at PTC, DC Papumpari, DC UPA has been directed to station there in the campus 24/7 to oversee the quarantine facilities of PTC. And he will be assisted by Papumpare, SP Papumpare Rural. So both of them has been exclusively designated to oversee the quarantine facilities at PTC. And to convert the BPL colony into a state quarantine center, Honorable Minister Education Tavatadre has been made as a chairman, and UD department will convert into a state quarantine center within 10 days from today. Within 10 days. The Department of PHED and the Power has been directed to assist with the UD department for all kind of facilities. And the internal facilities like bed sheet, pillow, what all will be taken care of by the DC Capital Region. The government has also asked to get more paid quarantine facilities in various hotels of the twin capital. Therefore, DC Capital has been directed to identify more facilities for paid quarantine. And government has also taken a decision to seriously deal with to those people who tries to sneak into the state, taking the porous area across the borders of Arunachal Pradesh. Those people, without informing the administration or the people designated, tries to sneak into the undesignated gates or from the porous area will be dealt with according to the rule of law. Finally, I, on behalf of the government of Arunachal Pradesh, would like to extend thanks and appreciation to every and each one of you. हमारे जितने जनता है, जो पब्लिक है, मीडिया फ्रेंड्स है, और जितने भी ऑफिसर्स, एवरी एंड ईच वन, जिन सब के एफर्ट से टुडे वी कुड मेंटेन आवर स्टेट एज ए ग्रीन जोन स्टेट. फर्दर मैं अपील करना चाहता हूं कि हम लोग का लड़ाई अभी शुरू हो रहा है और हम लोग लड़ता रहना है. और स्पेशली ये जो हम लोग जितने भी जो हमारा स्टूडेंट्स जो वापस आ रहा है, मैं स्पेशली पेरेंट्स एंड गार्जियंस को अपील करना चाहता हूँ to please cooperate with the administration so that our children are safe and we are all safe. और मैं जनता को ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो पेंडेमिक को अगर हमारा प्रदेश से रुकाना और प्रदेश में आने से रुकाना है तो गवर्नमेंट एट द मोस्ट विल फैसिलिटेट ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज, बट रुकाना है तो सब हम लोग को एक साथ मिल के हम उसको रुकाना है।